Today we are going to replace the headlamp assembly in a 2006 Dodge Grand Caravan. The headlamp in this van is the same that you'll find in 2001 through 2007 Chrysler products, including the Voyager, Town & Country, and Caravan lines. For this van, you can see the passenger side headlamp assembly is severely damaged, so that's what we'll be replacing. To do the job, we of course have the replacement headlamp from GoPart.com, and the only tool needed is a flat blade regular screwdriver. To start things off, we're going to open the hood to access the 3 screws that hold the existing headlamp in place. Okay, now we've got the hood open, and you can see the 3 screws that we need to remove to pull the existing headlamp out. The 3 screws are here, here, and here. And it's just a regular flat blade screwdriver used to take them out. Here's one. Two. And 3. Now we should be able to slide the headlamp right out. As you can see, this one is pretty damaged, so it's coming out in 2 pieces. First thing I'm going to do is remove the bulb socket for the turn signal. It's just a little turn to the left and out it comes. Because the replacement headlamp assembly from GoPart.com includes the lights, I'm going to just remove the clip that holds the wires onto this bulb. So we can just pop the retainer clip off and then take that socket off. And this we can throw away. Same thing with the headlamp. I can unscrew the retainer. Then take out the assembly. And this, of course, is trash. And we can remove the headlamp from that. And then we're ready to install the replacement headlamp assembly. To connect the wires to the new assembly, I want to take the turn signal assembly and line the retaining clip up with the retainer on the bulb assembly. Just slide that on and slide the clip in place. For the headlamp connection, I'm going to take the headlamp right out of the new headlight assembly and take the retainer ring, put it over the connector, then connect the new headlamp to the clip, slide the headlamp into place through the notches in the headlamp assembly, and then just turn it to lock it in place. And that's the electrical connection. Now we're just going to slide this back into place. And then take our 3 screws, and start them by hand. I hold the headlamp using this little handle. I can get the screws started. Just going to tighten them all up evenly. There we have our new headlamp assembly in place. Now we'll do a quick test, make sure everything's operational. Everything seems to be working just fine. And there's our new headlamp assembly in place with the hood closed. Takes about 5 minutes.